Good morning and welcome to Bowen's Garage here in Ross-On-Wye. This morning we have this 2016 on a 66 plate Volkswagen Polo 1.2 Match Edition 5-door. It's an automatic variant and it's finished in pure white. It's had only the one owner from new and has covered just 18,000 miles. That's backed up by a full 3-stamp service history, the last of which carried out just 150 miles ago. We'll have a wander around and you can have a good look. Excuse the brightness. Hopefully you can see okay. It has matching Continental tyres all the way around. Really well appointed parking sensors on the rear that you can see. Also, if you look on the badge, Blue Motion technology, which means the road tax is just £20. Looks the part, certainly in this colour. Alloy wheels. Come around to the front. Front fog lights, front parking sensors as well. It has Volkswagen's Park Pilot, which I will demonstrate to you in a second. Really looks well. Let's have a little look inside. And as you can see, 4 electric windows, central locking button there for the inside, and electric mirrors, right and left, and also if you switch the knob round to there, it has electronically folding mirrors as well, which was an added option. I think it was a £160 option. Automatic lights, and then you have a lovely flat bottom steering wheel. That's your controls for your Bluetooth and your trip computer. And if we move over to the left hand side, controls your cruise control. DSG automatic gearbox, 7-speed. You can also knock it across into manual mode. And there we have USB, AUX ports, air conditioning, radio, which is DAB, and media, not connected at the moment, but it does have Bluetooth for your phone. And then above, start stop, heated rear screen, and you can turn the parking sensors off with that button there. And then if we switch the car on, you can see the mileage, 18,379. As I say, backed up by the service history, which is comprehensive. And then using the steering wheel controls just there, we can scroll through. So you can control pretty much everything from the steering wheel. So whether that be telephone, vehicle status, driving data, you can then scroll through and you've got average speed, fuel consumption, average fuel consumption, and of course fuel range. And you can also control music and everything else through there as well. Into the rear of the vehicle. Plenty of room. It does have Isofix as well for your child seats. Electric windows in the back as well. Round to the back of the car. Plenty of room in the boot. For a car of this size, it's pretty good. And it does also have the benefit of a full-size spare wheel, so it doesn't have one of these Mickey Mouse inflation kits. Locking wheel nut, of course, and all your other gubbins. And there we are. 2016 Polo Automatic Match Edition, so loaded with goodies. 18,000 miles, comprehensive service history. Finance is of course available, all the details of which are on the website bowensgarage.co.uk. The car will come supplied with 12 months MOT, 2 remote keys, our standard 6-month in-house warranty, and nationwide delivery is currently available. So for more information, inquiries, or if you'd like to book a viewing, give us a call 01989 769 900, or as I say, visit our website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Thanks very much.